Hello students, today's our topic is zero order reaction. Yesterday we have completed the integrated rate equation for the zero order reaction and the T half-life period of the zero order reaction. We have got the formulas. What are those formulas? R0 minus R is equal to Kt, or K is equal to R0 minus R divided by T, and we have X is equal to Kt, or T half is equal to R naught by 2K. These formulas we have got yesterday. Based on this one, they can ask problems in theory also, in competitive exam also they can ask based on these formulas problems. Okay, how they can ask problems, that we will see in today's class. So see here, the first problem is a reaction A gives product 2B. Rate constant is 5 mole per second and the half-life of the reaction. So find the, I am not here, find the half-life of the reaction if initial concentration of A was 0.5 mole per liter. So in the question, what they have given? They have given initial concentration, that is 0.5 mole per liter. Rate constant is given 5 mole per liter per second. T half we have to find out. So just we have formula for the T half-life period of the reaction. We have formula R naught by 2K. Initial concentration is given. How much given? 0.5, and rate constant value is given 5. Just put down in this. So we will get what? 0.5 divided by 5 into 2, 0.5 by 10. And we will get the answer 0.05 second. Here the unit will come second for T half, because here we got 5 mole per second has given here, rate constant value. So time unit also will be in second, it is 0.05 second. So like this they can ask question in theory, it is for 2 marks. They will give rate constant value and initial concentration, and they will ask you to find out the T half. So we have formula for that, what? T half is equal to R naught by 2K. Just put down and you will get the answer. Or sometimes they will give you half-life and initial concentration, then you will ask to find out the rate constant. So alternate we can have formula for rate constant. K is equal to R naught by 2T half. So we can use this formula and can find out the rate constant also. Okay. So this is for this formula, T half is equal to R naught by 2K, how they can ask the questions. Now next formula we have here, look at here. Can you see? Okay. So see here, I have written here X is equal to KT. X is equal to KT. How this formula we got? X is equal to KT. We have our zero order reaction. R gives product. R gives product. This is our zero order reaction. For that, initially when time is 0, then the concentration of the reaction, it is become equal to what? R naught. Concentration of the reactant is what? R naught. Initial concentration. Suppose R naught we are taking as A. Okay, and product will be what here? 0. And after some time the reaction started, and then some reactants they will get converted into product. Okay, so that means here the A will be some reactant they are getting converted into product. So some amount only will be remaining here. What is that amount? A minus X. And what will get here? Product X. What is A minus X and X? How we will understand this one? See here. If you will take here 100 molecule reactant starting, okay, when the reaction started we have taken 100 molecule. After some time passes, then we have got the product here 20. When time is equal to 2, we got a product how much? 20. So how much of the reactant left here? Starting was 100. After some time we got the product how much? 20. Then how much here reactant remains? 80. How much you will get? 80. How will get that one? 100 minus 20. 100 minus what here? 20. Then we will get here what? 80 here. So what? Here we have taken X here product. So how much reactant will be left here? A minus x. What will be left here? A minus x here. So these values for R0 and R, we have A and this is what? A minus x. This value just put in our main equation. What is our main equation? R is equal to R0 minus Kt. So R is what here? A minus x. R0 is what here? A and minus Kt. So A just cancel and minus x is equal to minus Kt. This minus minus also get cancelled. What we are getting here? X is equal to Kt. It means here x is directly proportional to t. So what is x here? X is here the amount of the reactant dropped. The amount of the reactant dropped or amount of the reactant reduced. The amount of reactant that has converted into product. How much amount of the reactant has converted into product, or we can say the how much amount of the reactant has dropped. So this is proportional to what? Time. Proportional to time here. What does it mean? It means that in zero order reaction, okay, this one very important point, remember. So in zero order reaction, equal amount drop in equal time. Equal amount drops in equal interval of time. Equal interval of time. Equal amount drop in equal interval of time means what here? See here, 100 molecules we have here and it is dropping and we are getting 80. So how many molecules drop here? How much? 20. Okay, 20 drop in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, 20 molecules drops. We have got here 80. Then again, if here we are getting 60. See, 60 molecules drop. So 60 we are getting. So how many molecules drop here? 20. 20 molecules drop here. In how many minutes? The time interval will be same here. It will be 10 minutes only. So equal amount drop in equal interval of time here. So 60 to 40. So how much drop here? 20. So time will be how much? 10 minutes only. So that's why it is x. This is x. The amount of reactant drop. The amount of reactant drop. It drops in the 10 minutes. So next also it will drop. If it is drop 20 only, then the time will be 10 minutes only. Again if it drops 20, then the time will be what here? 10 only. And 40 to 20. So what is that here? 20 only drops. So what is the time here? 10 minutes only. 20 to 10 here. So how much? 20 to 0. So how much the time here? Again 20 drops here. So time is what here? 10 minutes only. So equal amount drops here. Equal amount drops in equal time here. Equal amount drops in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time here. So this is the trick to find out the many problems you can solve based on this trick here. Are you understood? 100 to 80 means 20 drops. So how much it is? 10 minutes only. To 80 to 60 it is drop means how much here? 10 minutes only. So 60 to 40 then it is what? 20 drops 10 minutes only. Like this it is. So that's why it is the x is equal to Kt. Now based on this trick you can find out the problems. You can solve the problems by using unitary method. See the problem now. Next. So here we have a problem here. Okay, once you can see here. So 100 to 80. How much it is? 20. Time is how much? 10 minutes. Suppose 80 to 70 is there. Here 20 drop. But here how much drop here? Here should drop 20 in what? 10 minutes. But here drop how much here? 80 to 70. 10 only drops here. That means here half of 20. So 20 by 2 we can do it here. Half only have dropped here. 20 should drop here. 100 to 80 means 80 to 60 should come here. But has come how much here? 70. Means here what? Half of it. So 20 by 2. So time also will be half. The time also will be what? Half. So to drop 80 to 70, the time will be 5 minutes. The time will be what? 5 minutes. So this one you should understand here. And 70 to, suppose here 80 is there. 70 to here should come how much? 60. Here 10 drops. But here came what? 70 to 60 here. So for this one, suppose here 50 is there. 70 to 50. 70 to 60 here. So here also drops how much here? 10 only drops here. Actually it should drop how much? 20. But here drop how much? 10 only. So divided by 2 do it. The time also will be 10 by 2 here. 5 minutes it is. So this one you have to remember. Okay, see next question you will understand how you can solve it. Question given here. For A gives product 2B0 order if time for 50% completion is 2 minutes. Find the time required for 75%. Okay. So here question given for A gives product 2B0 order if time for 50% completion is 2 minutes. 50% completion time given T50% time given how much? 2 minutes. Find the time required for 75%. T75 we have to find out how much it is. So see here, how can you find out? We have so many methods. The first method, the trick, we will use our trick. What is that trick? And it is converting into 50 from 100 to 50. Okay, it is coming 100 to 50. How much time is given? 2 minutes. How much time given here? 2 minutes. Now what is they are asking? The time required for 75%. Now 50 actually 100 to 50 means how much drop here? 50% drop here. 50% drop. X is what here? 50. And 50 to what it should come here? 0. Again it will drop here what? 50%. But drop how much here? 75 here. How much drop here? 75. Okay. 75 means here what? 50 by 2. It has not dropped 50. It has dropped 25. Only 25 here. So 50 by 2 if you do, or 2 minutes divided by 2 we can do. So it is how much here? 1 here. So total time they are asking from 100 to 75 how much time is required. For 50% 2 minutes. So for 75% how much it is. So for 100 to 50 it is 2 minutes. So 50 to 75 how much we got? 1 minute. So total will be how much? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 minutes we can got here. Okay. So this is first method. Second method is we have T half is directly proportional to the R naught. T half is directly proportional to R naught. If concentration of the reactant increases, the T half is increases. If the concentration of the reactant is decreases, the T half is decreases. So in this case, see here, this is 100 to 50 here. Okay, 100 to 50. How much time here? 2 minutes. the concentration is what here? Degree. Here it is 100 to 50 here. Then 50 to what here? 75 here. So 2 minutes it is taking. So 50 to 75 here. It is again decreases here. Concentration of the reactants from 100 to 75 decreases here. So how much it is? It should come. Time is also what? Decreases. Here 2 minutes. Here it will be what? 1 minute. 100 to 50, 2 minutes. And then 50 to 75, it should decreases. How much it is? Half it is decreases. That's why it is what? 1 minute. 2 plus 1, 3. Total timing will be what here? 3 minutes. Or one more very short method we have here. Formula we have for this type of question. T 75% is equal to 3 by 2 T half. 3 by 2 T half. So 3 by 2 T half is given 2 minutes. Okay, just 2 to cancel and 3. This formula you can remember this directly. If they ask to find out the 75% time for 75%, if they ask you can use this formula 3 by 2 T half directly and you can solve it. We will get the formula here. Unitary method no need to use here. Directly you can find out. Or we can use solve this problem by using the formula also. By using what formula? We have our formula. What is that formula? R naught minus R is equal to KT. And this R naught is what? Initial concentration. R is what? Final concentration remains. How much concentration remains here? So see here R naught minus R by KT. Starting it will take here 100 minus 50. From 100 to 50 it is. The time is how much? 2 minutes. Time is what? 2 minutes. This is first reaction. Next what we have from 100 to 75. 100 to 75%. So how much remains? From 100, 75 is completed. So how much remains? How much remains that you have to take R value. Okay, 75 direct you should not take here. 75% completed. Then how much remain? Okay, the time required for 75% completion. The reaction has completed 75%. Then how much reactant left? That is our R. So it is 100 minus 75. What we will get here? 25. So 100 minus 25 you should take here. So it is equal to K into T. This one we have to find out. This one we have to find out. It is T for 75% completion here. This is equation number 2. So just divide by equation 2 by 1. 2 by 1 do it. So we will get here 100 minus 25 divided by 100 minus 50 is equal to K into T by K into 2. Just K cancel here. 100 minus 25 means how much here? 75. And here 100 minus 50 means 50 here. 2 just take out this side. And what we have here? T 75%. So what we will get here? So here we will get here 75 into 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 15, 50 by. So we will get here 3. What will get answer here? 3 answer we will get. So to solve such type of problems, we have 3 methods. If you can't understand the trick, directly you just put into this formula, divide and you will get the answer. Or you can remember that formula for T 75%. This formula you have to remember. T 75% is equal to 3 by 2 T half. So you can find out the answer easily. Next, like this only we have one more question. Next question. Second question. A gives product B. Okay. And that is R is equal to K. A a to the power 0 if concentration of A reduces from 0.1 m to 0.05 m in 10 seconds. Calculate time when concentration reduces to 0.025 m. Okay, 0.052 m. Okay, see here this is zero order reaction. If concentration of A reduces from 0.1 to 0.05 m in 10 seconds, 0.1 to 0.05, how much it is reduces? Half. How much it is reduces? Half. So this time has given how much here? 10 seconds. 50% has reduces here. Okay. Next is here it is again 0.05 to 0.025. Again half. Again half here given. This is given what? T half. 10 seconds. Reduces how much? 0.05 here. Again it is reduces half. Again it is reduces half. It is reduces in 10 seconds. Then from here to here concentration is decreases here. Actually it should reduce how much? 50%. How much it should reduce? 50%. Here 50% reduces. Here also should reduce 50% in 10 seconds. According to our technique, our trick, here 50% reduces. Here also should reduce 50% in 10 seconds. But here reduces how much? 25%. Means 50 by what? 2 here. So that's why here 50 by what here? 2 or 0.05 by 2. So here how much? 10 seconds. This one also we can divide with 2 here. So how much it will be? 5 seconds. How much it will be? What? 5 seconds here. So this 10 seconds and 5 seconds. Total they are asking how much time it will take to reduce from 0.1 to 0.025. So it will be how much? 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. This is first we can find out like this way, or directly we can find out here. This is 0.1 to 0.550 and here 50 to how much here? 75. 0.1 to 0.025 means it is 75%. And we have formula to find out T 75%. What is that? 3 by 2 into T half. So 3 by 2 into T half is given how much here? 10 seconds here. So 2 5s are 10 here. And we will get answer 15 seconds. So like this also we can get 15 seconds, and by using this formula also we can get 15 seconds. Or just values you put into the formulas as I showed before, that if you put the values in that formula you will get the same answer 15 seconds. Okay. So next one more type of problem I will solve, and one question I will give you in homework. Okay, what is that question? In a zero order reaction, the time taken to reduce the concentration of reactant from 50% to 25% is 30 minutes. What is the time? What is the time required? What is the time required to reduce the concentration from 25% to 12.5%? 25% to 12.5%. Okay, this one they have asked in theory. In 2014 they have asked this question for 1 mark only. It is only for 1 mark they have asked in theory. What is the question? In a zero order reaction, the time taken to reduce the concentration of reactant from 50 to 25% is 30 minutes. What is the time required to reduce the concentration from 25 to 12%? So 50 to 25%. How much it is? Time is 30 minutes. 25 to 12.5%. How much it will be? 50 to 25. It has dropped how much? 25. So here 25 to again it should drop how much? 25 only in 30 minutes. But it has dropped how much? 12.5. It should drop 25 only. Then you will get here what? 0 only. But it has dropped how much? 12.5. Means here it is what? 25 by 2 it is. Okay. So half only has dropped. So this time also we can divide with 2 here. So what we will get here? 15 here. So to drop 25 to 12.5. This much time only they have asked. This question is understand. They have asked the time from the concentration, the time required to reduce the concentration from 25% to 12.5%. The time required to reduce the concentration from 25 to 12.5%. Only this much time only they have asked. So how much time they will require here? Only 15 minutes. They have not asked totally 12.5. They have asked time from 25 to 12.5. So it is how much? 15 minutes only here. So you can use this trick here and you can find out 15 seconds. Or you can use this one also for T half. This T half is given now here. This T half is directly proportional to the concentration. If concentration decreases, the time is also decreases here. So see here, 50 to 25, half it is. 50 to 25 means half concentration completed here. So T half is given here 30. So 25 to 12.5, concentration reduces here. Concentration reduces. So time is also what here? Reduces. How much it will reduce? Half only it will reduce. So 50 to 25, 30 minutes means 25 to 12.5 it is how much it is? 15 minutes only. Okay. So your answer will be 15 minutes. So two tricks you can use it either for half life or either for this one you can use it. Or not understanding trick means just put into the formula and solve the problems. So these are about zero order reactions problems. I will send you notes. Okay. Regarding this zero order problems and just solve those problems also. Thanks for watching. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and please put the like button. Anything if you are not understanding, please comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe at home. Thank you so much.